Hello, I'm looking for someone. I wanted to get a phone call earlier on. Supposedly a seagull got into our room. We're in 422. Like I say, I don't know who we need to speak to, but supposedly the seagull had all the bin, everything and all over, so, and they've brought our bags on reception. So I just want to, I don't know who I need to speak to about that.
So the problem is a seagull?
Well, it's been in our room. Someone's rang us earlier on and said there was a seagull got into our room, because I left the window open earlier on, obviously because it's hot. Not thinking a seagull would get in. The seagull's meant to have got in, got all the bin and everything all over, and they brought our bags down here. So I don't know what's happened with our room or our bags, so I need to speak to someone about that.
You brought the bags down here?
No, we got a phone call, I said someone brought our bags down here.
No, no one put the bags down here.
So who do I need to speak to, because it said there's seagulls in our room?
There's a seagull in your room?
Supposedly.
It's not possible that the seagull is in your room.
So these will wind us up. You're fucking worthless cunt.